dirties and dirty now. What am I gonna do with you? What's up, everybody?
Hello.
We are That Hippie family. I'm Ashley.
I'm Chad.
Baby Floyd is napping in the car.
As usual.
This is Medusa, a little trail buddy sometimes. And today is Monday Fun Day. Wow, this is some exciting stuff. Oh my goodness. See if you can see out the window. Can you see? That's our new shed where we can put so much stuff. It's ginormous. Chad scored it for free. Thank you to our wonderful friend Cole's parents. You guys are great. Having a shed when you live in a tiny house on wheels means that you can store things outside. Ah, yes, seems obvious. Things like jackets, snowboards. Oh my gosh. That means that we're gonna have so much space inside of our tiny house and less crap. Before we go for our hike, as always, we need to make some lunch, and we're gonna have grilled cheese and hash browns for lunch today. I'm actually gonna give baby Floyd his first grilled cheese sandwich. Would you guys be interested in seeing what Floyd eats in a day video? I know we normally don't do food videos. I'm not a cook / chef, but we do a lot of baby videos. And Floyd is rocking baby-led weaning. So if you're interested in that, let me know. Well, we just pulled up here. We're really excited about today. We haven't told you guys, but guess what?
We're going to Christy Falls.
How many waterfalls?
3.
3.
I don't know if they're not all called Christy Falls. I don't even know what the other ones are called, but it's funny, we actually tried to come here once before.
I'll link that video right here.
Yeah, over there.
That was a fail. We've tried to come here before.
Yeah.
But we're gonna do it today.
We're gonna do it today.
We haven't done waterfalls in so long. I'm actually so excited.
I know. I love waterfalls.
Me too.
It's like one of our favorite things to do is go find waterfalls.
Mm-hmm.
Even if they're small, they're just like, it's a nice end point of a hike, you know, like, don't get me wrong, any hike is a good hike.
A view.
But when you have a view spot or a waterfall or just like a destination on the hike, it always makes it like that much more enjoyable.
Floyd's sleeping in the car right now. We're just trying to let him like sleep as long as possible, so we're just like killing some time. I'm just doing this with the dog so she doesn't whine. She just needs to be moving all the time. She's kind of like a baby. A baby. Oh no, he's not. He's looking at me.
The ivy growing off of this tree makes it look like it's like its own tree. It's actually wild.
As we're walking, it's so beautiful. There's so many buds in all the trees. While we were driving, we've seen cherry blossoms blossoming. It really is spring. First dandelion of the year. I picked it. Do you know why dandelions are so special? They are very good for your digestive system. You want to dry out the roots and boil them and make them into tea. You can also make from the heads of the dandelions, dandelion salad, which is really good for you and delicious as well. These are these things we see all the time. The little owl-looking things. We see these owl-looking things everywhere all the time, and we have no idea who put them there, what they mean. This one's a little extravagant. It's nice and big. Maybe it's not even an owl.
Look at these turkey tails. They're huge.
Look, it says Chad. This is cool. Are you gonna go?
Look at a little wood burning stove in here.
Wow.
Ladder, it's got it upstairs.
Oh my gosh, this is so cool.
It's got some rad art.
I'd camp there. I just read the little story about this cabin. It's so cute. It's actually built by a bunch of like teenagers who wanted to literally build a cabin in the woods, so they did. They built this all themselves, and on the weekend they would come up and spend the weekend here with all their friends. They did it all together, and there was like no trail at the time when they did it. Has a wood burning stove, a bunch of bunk beds. So cool. And it was built the year Chad was born. 1992.
How cool is this?
Waterfall number 2. Are you ready for this? Wow. Epic. We're headed back to the car now, back on the main trail. Road, actually. There's a hatchery behind us, so that's
Bush Creek.
where we be.
Bush Creek, actually.
Bush Creek. It's a nice trail. We went off-roading to get to the waterfalls. Those were so epic,
Yeah, it's so cool.
right?
So many.
So many.
In just like one
Like,
little
boom,
area.
waterfall, waterfall, waterfall.
It's really cool.
Misty.
Yeah,
We
very-
ran into those people too that were like hyped me up a bit too, because they were like, hey, how's it going? It's so nice outside. It's so nice to get out here
Yeah,
with
they
your
were
family.
just as pumped as we are.
Yeah, they were like full energy. Yeah. You're-
Just as pumped as Floyd is.
Woo. Medusa is a muddy dog. She dirty. You dirty girl? You dirty girl? Come here, you dirty girl. Medusa. Oh, he's a dirty dog. What am I gonna do with you? Adventure dog. This has been a great Monday.
The best Monday.
Monday fun day. As always, I hope that you have a great rest of your day.
We'll have a great rest of our day.
And we'll see you in the next video.
Peace out.